God, you suck at it, Aaron.
Dude, you can't do it either.
Yeah, I admit to that. I'm not
just,
coordinated at all.
Let me just try and get it. Ready? No, I swear I can do it.
What are you doing?
Oh! Do you see this, dude?
It's not even good, bro.
That's it. Oh my God, I'm doing it.
Are you doing? It's been a whole minute of you doing this, Aaron. No one needs a whole minute of this, bro. Okay, wait. Okay, wait. A video game? Video game?
Okay. It's hot, dude. Okay.
It's not.
Enjoy the featherful fruits of life.
We're gonna make the Durr burger from Fortnite, and we're also gonna make some slurps over here. We're making some slurps. We're gonna make the slurps. The first thing that you need is to make the burgers. So we're gonna come on back. Is that okay? Got some frozen meatless for the non-carnivorous woman behind the camera.
Okay.
And we got some tavern style. We're gonna get the tavern style. You wanna get your pot?
It's a pan.
Pan.
Very different concept.
And you wanna get your butter. I guess we should throw that out. Oh no, it landed right.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, Aaron.
So take your cheese, and you want to do the test, the cheese test. Make sure that it's good cheese, because if it's hard, that means it's gone bad.
It's not even true.
I got the Hawaiian buns because
Oh my God.
yeah, the King Hawaiian.
That's honestly so good.
I know.
Hawaiian buns rule.
Get the King Hawaiians.
Okay, don't put too much on mine. I don't like too much mayo. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
Next stop.
Flavor Town.
Yeah. I don't like a lot of ketchup on my stuff, so I'm gonna practice.
No, don't stop. Don't do that. I actually want to eat that.
You have to practice on something. If you don't like a lot of ketchup, I'm scared, you know. I don't want it to just, I don't like a lot, you know.
Me either. That's why I use a knife, because I'm a civilized human being.
Yeah, that's weird.
Sorry.
The bottle is that way, so you don't use a knife, you know.
Yeah, but I mean, if you're a real, a classy hoe, you use a knife.
If you've got issues.
No, Aaron.
If you're a scary person.
No! You're not gonna give that to the dog? That's messed up.
It's bad, dude. It's bad for his heart.
Bacon?
All right. So I'm gonna get a bucket out just in case we get a spill. And we're just gonna we're gonna just kind of and just shake it around. It's not really, exactly how they do it, I don't think, but I think it's basically how they do it at the bars and stuff, so. So let's try it.
Yep.
Yeah, it's really good. I don't know if you got me eating it. I don't know if it cut off.
I got the bite, but not the reaction, really.
Yeah. It's very good. I mean, the fact that it had eyes and that it was the Durr burger definitely made it taste better than a regular burger. So if you haven't made the Durr burger yet, here it is. Make it, make it and tell me about it. Let me know.
Send a pic.
Thanks again for joining us on another episode of
Video Game Eats.